Hey, back at the shop again today. Got the timing set for the 408, getting ready to put that on, have that thing done, ready for him to pick up since I didn't have it last night, and that was ridiculous. But anyways, just filled up I guess it was a show car. Like, they had a nitrous set up, but it didn't even go to the motor. It was just to empty it. I was like, okay, well, I mean, if you're just in it for the show, whatever, I'll fill them up. But either way, I mean, it was a cool looking car. I mean, it was a V6 Camaro, but it's completely like painted custom. Like underneath the hood looked really good. As far as like just cosmetic looking stuff, like it wasn't bad looking for a show car at all. Like you can tell she's put a lot of time and effort into making it look good. But anyways, it's not my cup of tea. But I mean, some people that is. I'd rather have the go. All go, no show, instead of all show, no go. But anyways, I mean, it was a pretty car. I'm not gonna talk trash about someone's build. But anyways, I'm gonna get on that 408 and I will talk to you guys later. Guys, I don't know what's up with this thing, but from time to time, that's extremely bright. Let's turn that down a notch. I don't know what's up with this thing. It keeps cutting off randomly. Like, there's 29% power left, so there's no reason for it just to stop on its own, but I'd be damned if it doesn't. It just randomly cuts off. Again, I have no idea what I've actually said to you guys and have it. Like, I filmed the whole process of buffing that 396 that's over here, but I don't know how much of it I got. But anyways, I'm gonna put you right here, somewhere right here. You can move some stuff. I'll put you right here. That way there, I can point you towards the washer. All right, the rings are on the pistons now. Everything's ready to go. I'm gonna start putting the rods on the crank and try to get this thing done today, hopefully. I don't know. Bonnie's on the way with his heads for that 408, so I can get them on there, put that in his truck and get him down the road. So that should be out of here in just a little bit. So I got about an hour and a half, but I still have a lady coming here to see if I can extract a bolt out of I forget what she said it was in. And she was asking me if I could do it. I was like, I'm not 100% sure. I was like, I need to see what you were actually talking about it stuck in. I'm sure I can get it out. I don't want to say yes, I can do it, and it's something crazy. And I'm like, I don't feel like doing that actually on a Friday afternoon at 5 o'clock. But anyways, let's see here. I think that's about everything. It's 5:03. I got to jump on that soon. I'm probably going to come up here and try to work a little bit on Sunday just because I want both of these things to have been done this week, and I'm nowhere near that. I need to start looking for those bolts. I don't know if I can actually finish that or not because I don't have those bolts. Ooh. I don't know. I got some thinking to do. I'll talk to you guys later. Another week has come to a close, but at least this time the 408 is done. He's going to bring me the heads in the morning. He was going to do it today, but he decided he's just going to head down to the track and hopefully find him another car to qualify and start racing tonight. That's what he was talking about doing. But it's done. As soon as he brings me heads in the morning, we're going to put them on there and send it on its way. The 350 Oldsmobile, the pistons, rods, and crank are all in there. I'll pick up on it. Hopefully I might be able to come in here Sunday, pick that up, and also get that done because there's not much left to do on that. That's just the bottom end. So I got the oil pump pickup to put on it, the timing set cam, and that's about it because I don't have the heads. So there's nothing to do with that. Put the timing in, the cam in, the cover, and that'll be it. I think I got the oil pan too, and put the oil pan on. Everything on the bottom end, and that'll be done. So it's not much left to do on that one at all. That is just get the camshaft, the crank, and the timing set on it, and then that one's done completely. That's all they want done to that. The rods and pistons being put in by someone else, not me. So I should have knocked both of those out. If I could get in here on Sunday and just put in like about 5 hours, I could probably get both of those done and clean up around here a little bit because that needs to happen. But anyways, I'm going to go around, shut everything down. I got to get the 396. I've got the what is it? The rod? Not the rod. I got the crank and the block in the washer back here. So I'm gonna get that out, wash it off, and I'm gonna take my happy ass home for the weekend. And I will talk to you guys later. All right, another vlog, edits in. This is where I have to do the whole rundown of, over here's the like button. You hit that, that'll help the algorithm out so other people can watch this video other than just
maybe the 1 or 2 people that are seeing it right now, there's a comment section right here. Click on that. That way there you can argue with me over what you disliked about this video, and maybe other people will comment and then they will argue against your argument. Comment sections are out of control. Anyways, subscribe button right over here. Make sure you hit that. Ring the bell. That way there you get all the notifications, everything I'm uploading. I will talk to you guys later.